It's poppin', 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 it's poppin'.
Hey everybody out there, thank you so much for tuning in today on Unplugged, Unplugged, and Uncut. I am your host, Shar'e, and we are here at Arsenal Technical High School where Denver Nuggets star Trey Lyles is here giving back to the community. Follow me because we're going to step right on in the gym where he is answering questions of his favorite fans.
We're taking you back all the way to the city of Indianapolis, where 6'10", 234-pound superstar number 22 Trey Lyles got his first steps on the court.
So right now we are watching Mr. Trey Lyles and his father answer some Q&A questions from the kids where they've been at a free camp sponsored by him from 9 this morning until 5 tonight. So we're super excited to be a part of everything that he has going on. Shouts out to Trey Lyles and the Denver Nuggets, and I'll get back with you guys later for an exclusive where you can check everything out on our new VTV website.
At just 22 years young, Kentucky State grad and superstar NBA baller Trey Lyles, who just happens to be an original Tech Titan, can not only be spotted in the limelight of the rich and famous, he can also always be spotted pouring right back into the very community where he began his journey towards becoming an Indiana hero. Today, Trey Lyles displayed a simple message to some of the local teens right here in Indy who someday dream to follow in his very footsteps, to never give up and to keep going. At a staggering 6'10", 234 pounds of greatness, this big guy sure has a soft spot for remaining humble on and off the courts. Alongside his parents, Trey handed out cool trinkets, signed NBA basketballs, and even gave away some Visa gift cards. It's special moments like these that will remain in the hearts of these future NBA and WNBA players for life. Here's what two of the winners had to say.
I am here with one of the sophomore students here this year, and he was one of the lucky winners that Trey Lyles blessed with a signature signed basketball and a picture. So we are super excited. Can you let the fans out there know and the viewers out there know, what does that mean to you?
I mean, it means a lot. This is my first time meeting these NBA players, like in person, stuff like that. Like, you always see them on TV and stuff like that, and I haven't been able to go to the actual NBA game. But seeing one in person, up close like this, and talk to one, and interact with one, and actually play with them and stuff like that was really cool. Really fun experience.
So exciting, super excited. Congratulations, Anthony, on that. Sir, you seem to be a fine young gentleman. You handled yourself very well. I'm so excited. You've never been on camera, but you did very well. So major shouts out to Anthony. Good luck on your journey, sir. And make sure you guys stay tuned because later on in the website, you'll be able to check out back footage of the Trey Lyles interview. All right, you guys. I'm going to give Mr. Anthony, this is a free pie for your dad on behalf of O'Charlie's. So thank you to our sponsors at O'Charlie's. Your dad gets to get a free pie. And make sure you guys get over to O'Charlie's, located at 7640 North Shaylin Avenue. Major shouts out to the general manager, Sean, over there, and much love.
Sponsored by Bronze to You, mobile tanning made just for you. And also sponsored by O'Charlie's. Welcome to O'Charlie's, home of the deep-breaded all-you-can-eat Tender Tuesdays. Come on by for your slice of pie. Now on Sundays, Southern-style brunch, just like Mama's Kitchen. Come on in, sunshine. Kids eat free 7 days a week. Oh yeah. No time to dine? Let one of our friendly faces serve you to go. Hand-cut steaks, baby back ribs, signature salads, and an all-new summer line of hot new dishes. Come on in at 7640 North Shaylin Avenue, Indianapolis, Indiana. O'Charlie's. Good food, good times.
Thank you all so much for tuning back into Unplugged, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your host, Shar'e, where I am here at Arsenal Technical High School, where today from 9 to 5, the one and only Denver Nuggets, Trey Lyles, blessed some of the Indianapolis students here to come for a free camp, and we had a winner right here for a Q&A question with the one and only Trey Lyles. Tell the viewers out there, what question were you asked?
They said, how much points did Trey Lyles average in college year? And I said 24.
And that answer was correct. I take it because you want a signed ball. How dope is that? Super dope. All right, congratulations to you, Javon. And on behalf of O'Charlie's, we're giving you a coupon for a free pie for your dad for Father's Day, all right? So tell him we said Happy Father's Day on behalf behalf of the New View TV and as well to our sponsors out there at O'Charlie's. Make sure you guys get out there. The address is 7640 North Shadeland Avenue. Congratulations, Divide, and we wish you luck in your journey on your high school entry in the freshman year of Arsenal Technical High School. So I wish you luck on your journey, and we will be logging out for the evening. You guys take care.
Next time on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut, footage from the 2018 MECEC Music Conference. This was presented by Lifeline 360 Entertainment. Make sure you get on over to the New View TV page on Facebook, like us, and join us so you can stay tuned for all the latest in entertainment right here in the city of Indianapolis and across the globe. New View TV. New day, new view.